Hello viewers, this is Gma TV channel. Now we have discussed about how you can connect your T500 smart wristwatch phone. Now we want to discuss about how you can put your picture on the wallpaper of smartwatch T500 from your Android or your iPhone. Now we are discussing about the iPhone. We have discussed about earlier on the previous video. You can check on our YouTube channel if you don't know how to set it to connect directly to how you can put your picture on your T500 smart on your iPhone, which is HI Watch. This is HI Watch, another interface now, which is more easy to use. Now that is what then you come on this on your Bluetooth. Can you see it has connected? Click on the thing, this T500. Click on the T500. Can you see allow while using the app? Yeah, it has connect. Can you see T500 connect? Then you want to know if it connects. Click on find device. Can you see? You can use this one when your device has lost. Then you can use this one to find your device immediately. Now click on the first icon here, the first icon, click on it. Now let it synchronize to bring the menu or the pictures on the pointer dial. Then we have the digital dial, which we are going to discuss about. Now can you see these are the pictures you can put on your wallpaper. Now we want to put our picture there. Go to the digital dial. Now can you see it's loading, it's loading, it's loading, then it loads. Now just click on one of the theme you want. Click on one of the theme. Let's click this. Now you see change the dial, you see synchronize dial. Now change the dial. Now click on OK. Yeah, brings you to your picture. So you can pick any of these pictures that are here, but I would prefer to pick one of our logo. This one is big and this one is big too, but we just need to pick one so that you can just see how you can do it. Let's pick this. Now can you see this is the dimension of your smart wristwatch screen. Then try to do like this. It's not going. Then let's just use this. If you snap a picture from your phone, you will have the good dimension which will suit into the screen of the smartwatch. Now let's click done. Now can you see it? This is how it looks like when it gets on your phone. Then click synchronize dial. Now it's loading. It's loading. It's loading. Okay, it's almost through. It's almost through. Yeah, it's almost through. Yeah. Oh yes, update successful. Now let's see. Can you see? Automatically it's on it. This is how you can put your picture on your T500 smart wristwatch through your iPhone. You can put any picture on it. Now if you like our content, please subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more updates. Thank you.